back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Today we want to show you how you can make yourself a lovely drink after part 2 of the marshmallow, hot chocolate, and some cream. First thing, stove. Put on the stove. We're gonna put a cup of milk because we're not gonna make a lot of hot chocolate. All right, 1 cup of milk inside of it like that. And also I have some dark chocolate. I did a video before, but I didn't finish up the right and proper way, so we're gonna put some dark chocolate inside of it for it to melt. So let's put a 2 little piece inside of it like this. Lovely and nice. So give that about 3 to 4 seconds and leave it until it gets melt. Lovely. So as you can see right here, the chocolate is melted out inside. Simple, you really stir like this. Then now we're gonna put some of the hot chocolate powder, the dark chocolate powder. Put roughly 1 and a pinch inside of it. Give it a stir. You don't need to add any sugar because the chocolate alone do sweet. Alright, give that a 2 more seconds. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished. The best time to make hot chocolate is this time of the year when it's really cold like this. You need a lovely hot drink, and I'm saying you can treat yourself at home with something like this, or if someone visits you, this is what you can do. So now we're gonna turn off our stove and I'm gonna show you how to share it. Alright, enjoy it. Nice and lovely. So now we're gonna show you simple. Pour out hot chocolate in the glass like this. Simple. Cream. And a few marshmallow on top of it like this. And a simple sprinkle a little bit of chocolate on top of it, just like this, and serve it to you guys. So hopefully you guys will find this being a fun to them in this winter. Time is really cold, windy, and this is what you can have at home. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you, so enjoy it guys. Thank you so much, and hopefully this will be a benefit to you. Share it to the kids at home. As I said, this is the volume 2 of it. I did one with my daughter, but she didn't like cream, so I did it back over. Enjoy it and see you next time. Bye bye.